Florida's warm waters offer fantastic fishing opportunities. One prized catch is the sheepshead. This fish is known for its fighting spirit. It's a delicious fish. Sheepshead have unique teeth, resembling human teeth. This helps them crush barnacles and shellfish. Many anglers find sheepshead fishing rewarding. It's a fun challenge for all skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, Florida's waters beckon. Finding sheepshead is key to a successful trip. These fish love structure. Look for areas with barnacles and oysters. Docks, bridges, and piers are great places to start. Oyster bars are sheepshead magnets. Fish near these bars, especially during low tide. Mangrove shorelines also hold sheepshead. The roots provide shelter and food. Shrimp is a top bait for sheepshead. Use small pieces for their small mouths. Live shrimp are best, but frozen works too. Small hooks are crucial. A number 1 or number 2 hook is ideal. Use a light spinning rod with 10-pound test line. A fluorocarbon leader helps with visibility. Chumming can attract sheepshead. Use crushed oysters or barnacles. Sheepshead can be caught by sight fishing. This involves spotting them in the water. Polarized sunglasses are essential for this. They cut through glare, allowing you to see the fish. Look for sheepshead around structures. They are often found in schools. When sight fishing, use a quiet approach. Cast your bait slightly ahead of the fish. Be patient and wait for the bite. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more fishing tips.